Dear students, today I will explain the poem Abou Ben Adhem written by Leigh Hunt. So, Leigh Hunt is a poet who was an English poet. He was a poet, he was a writer, he was an essayist. And this poem is written in 1838. Now you see, this poem is actually a parable. What is a parable? A parable is a short story which illustrates moral and gives us the message of Jesus Christ. Now this poem, the whole poem is of 18 lines with 2 stanzas, and there are 9 couplets. And what are couplets? Couplets are 2 consecutive lines with rhyming words: increase, peace, room, bloom, like this. Now you see the poem, Abou Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase. So Abou Ben Adhem means the protagonist, about whom it is the poet tells that may his tribe increase, means may there be more people like Abou Ben Adhem in this world. Awoke one night with a deep dream of peace. So what happened? Abou Ben Adhem, one night he awoke from what? From a very peaceful dream, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom. And what did he see when he awoke? He saw that his room was full of moonlight, which gave a very rich color, very bright. And how was the moonlight? It was just like a lily in bloom. An angel writing in a book of gold. So he saw that an angel appeared who was writing in a book of gold. Now, who is an angel? Angel is a messenger of God, and it was writing in a book of gold. Book of gold means a book of gold symbolizes a book which is full of richness, great value placed in its content. So, in the book of gold, what was the angel writing? Exceeding peace had made Ben Adhem bold. So Ben Adhem was in exceeding peace. He had a peaceful dream, and he saw the messenger of God in his room, and he was in a very, very contented form. It made him bold, and he asked. And to whom did he ask? To the presence in the room, he said. That is, to the presence means whose presence? Angel. Angel's presence in the room. He said, what writest thou? So the word thou is in Old English for you. That is, what are you writing? The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord. That is, the vision means the angel. It was a vision, no, for him. Raised its head, and then what did it tell? And with a look made of all sweet accord. Sweet accord means very sweet manners, patience, kindness. The angel answered, the names of those who love the Lord. So the angel answered that he was writing the names of those who love the Lord. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so. So Abu asked that, is his name there in the book of gold? Then, nay, not so, replied the angel. So the angel replied in a negative tone. He said, no, his name was not in the book of gold. Abu spoke more low but cheerily still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. So what did Abu do? Abu spoke low because he was unsure about his love for God. But cheerily still, that is, but cheerfully he prayed to the angel and asked to write his name who loves his fellow men. The second stanza, which is the climax of the story. The angel wrote and vanished. That is, the angel noted and vanished from the room. The next night it came again with a great wakening light. So the next night again the angel came. And how it came? It came with a great wakening light. That is, with a very bright light which woke Abou Ben Adhem. That it was a wakening light. And showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And what did he show? He showed the names who had been blessed by God. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. And to Ben Adhem's surprise, what was there? Ben Adhem's name was in the top of the list, and his name led all the rest. That is, his name was at the top. So here the poem, you see, the poem is the theme of the poem is love of men. The message of the poem is that love for men is more important than love for God. If you love men, you are love your fellow men, you are loving God. Service to man is service to God. So here in this poem, the figures of speech used are: first, this is a parable. Second, the poem's form is a parable, and the figures of speech is deep dream, means DD. Then love the Lord, LL, alliteration. These are alliterations. And there is a use of simile, that is, moon is like a lily in bloom. Moonlight is like a lily in bloom.